Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and much more. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.